The Russian Revolution. Key events and impact. English story simplified. The Russian Revolution, occurring in 1917, was a series of political and social upheavals that led to the overthrow of the Romanov dynasty and the rise of the Soviet Union. It marked the end of centuries of imperial rule and the beginning of communist rule in Russia. The roots of the Russian Revolution can be traced to widespread dissatisfaction with the autocratic rule of the Tsars. Economic hardship, social inequality, and political repression had been growing for years. The disastrous outcome of the Russo-Japanese War, 1904–1905, and the hardships of World War I further fueled public discontent. The February Revolution began with mass protests in Petrograd, now St. Petersburg, due to food shortages and military failures. The protests quickly escalated, leading to the abdication of Tsar Nicholas II. A provisional government was established, aiming to create a more democratic society. The provisional government, led by Alexander Kerensky, struggled to address Russia's many issues, including continuing participation in World War I. Their inability to meet the demands of the people and to maintain order led to growing dissatisfaction and support for more radical solutions. The October Revolution, also known as the Bolshevik Revolution, was led by Vladimir Lenin and the Bolshevik Party. They capitalized on the widespread discontent and promised peace, land, and bread. In October 1917, they successfully overthrew the provisional government in a nearly bloodless coup. Following the Bolshevik takeover, Russia plunged into a brutal civil war between the Red Army, Bolsheviks, and the White Army, a coalition of anti-Bolshevik groups. The conflict, which lasted until 1922, resulted in immense suffering and the eventual victory of the Bolsheviks. The Russian Revolution led to the establishment of the Soviet Union, the world's first communist state. Under Bolshevik rule, Russia underwent significant social, economic, and political changes, including land redistribution, nationalization of industry, and the creation of a one-party state. The legacy of the Russian Revolution is profound, with the establishment of the Soviet Union playing a central role in 20th-century geopolitics. It inspired communist movements worldwide and significantly impacted global political dynamics, contributing to the Cold War and shaping the modern world.